Number 20 on the Unit 6 review number 2 tells us that xz is tangent to a circle y at point z. YZ is a radius. XY from here all the way through to y is 5. And XZ, this tangent line, is 4. What is the circumference of circle y? So now first, for circumference, we have to find the radius, because the circumference formula is 2 times pi times the radius. So that's what we got to solve for. Now, since they told us it was tangent, that means at this point z, where the tangent hits the circle, that means we have a right angle there. Now, if I'm going to solve for this radius, now since I have a right triangle, I can use either Pythagorean triples or Pythagorean theorem. If you don't know all the triples, then you'd have to plug in a squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. The 5 would be by itself since that's the hypotenuse on this right triangle. When you go through all that work, a is going to equal 3. So our radius is 3. So then it becomes 2 times pi times 3. So our circumference ends up being 6 pi. Now, if you want extra credit, this is our extra credit problem. You can show the work either here or on the top of the page, but your answers have to be near number 20 when I check. We went through that work to get the radius of 3. I'm going to highlight this portion of my circle, which is now a sector. For the extra credit, I want you to find the area of that sector and the arc length that the sector holds. So this would be our arc length that you have to find. The area of the entire sector is the area you have to show me. Now, the one thing you need, we know that the radius is 3. I'm going to give you this angle, which will be 60 degrees. So again, use the 60 degrees and a radius of 3 to find the area and arc length. Put both answers, make sure that both answers are boxed or highlighted so it's obvious to me when I check for the extra credit.